Okay, so yesterday we looked at congruence. Today we're looking at similar shapes. Let's look at an example. For this one, we're told that ABC is similar to PQR. We're told A to B is 4. P to Q is 12. We're told RQ is 16, AC is X, and PR is Y. So what is BC going to be? Well, if they are similar, it means that this times a scale factor is equal to this, okay? Or vice versa, depends which way you want to do it. So to work out the scale factor, all we're going to do is we're going to work out what we already have. We have a 12, and we're going to divide it by the corresponding length of the other triangle. So in this case, it's going to be 4. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So that is the scale factor. Now, in order to work out what B to C is, all we need to do is use this scale factor to work this backwards, okay? So we can say that B to C is equal to 16.5 divided by 3, which is equal to 5.5 centimeters. Okay? If, let's say, we were to link X to Y, right? We know that 3x is equal to y, okay? That's all that means, because length times scale factor equals length of the second shape. I hope this is making sense so far. If it is, please make sure you subscribe so that you never miss another video like it. Now let's look at this example. For this example, we're not told anything of similarity. All we're told is that these two are straight. We're told that BE and CD are parallel. So how are we going to work out what ED is? Well, from this information, we can safely say that triangle ABE is similar to triangle ADC. And we know this because this is straight, this is straight, and these two are parallel, okay? The question is by how much? Well, we have a 6 here, and we have a 1.5 here. So the scale factor is just going to be 6 divided by 1.5, which is equal to 4. Now what we can do is work out what this length here is, okay? And we know that because these two are similar, we can say that A to D is equal to scale factor times A to E, which is just equal to 4 times AE, which is equal to 5. And so therefore, AE is equal to 5 divided by 4, which is 1.25 centimeters. And that is our final answer. If this isn't making sense to you, make sure you ask me any questions down below, or join my Discord server to get the fastest response time. Now let's look at this example where we're told to prove that the triangles are similar. Well, let's take a look, shall we? In order for triangles to be similar, at least 2 of the lengths needs to be linked by scale factor. Okay? So let me tell you what I mean. Well, for this one, it's a little bit tricky because we're not given anything from PQS, right? But what can we work out from triangle PQS? We can work out what this length is. How? How do we know what QS is? We can use Pythagoras' theorem. QS squared is going to be 8 squared plus 4 squared, which is just equal to 64 plus 16, 80. And so we can say that QS is equal to the square root of 80. I'm not going to simplify just because I can use a calculator in this question. Now, we can check out the scale factor. So let's look at the hypotenuses of both of these examples, right? PS and QS should be similar, right? As they are the hypotenuse. Okay? The scale factor for the height, for the hypotenuse, is just going to be 10 divided by root 80, which is equal to, if we plug that into our calculator, I get 5 root 2. Root 5 over 2, excuse me. Alright? Additionally, we are told that QS and RQ should be similar. Why? Because both of them represent the, if I call this one, if this is my theta and this is my theta, both of them are the opposite. Okay? So scale factor of the opposite is just going to be root 80 divided by 8, which gives me an answer of also 5 root 2. 5 over root 2, excuse me. Root 5 over 2. I can't talk. And then because the scale factors, right, because both of them are the same, they are similar. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video made sense. If you guys want to pass your exams with flying colours and make everyone proud, drop me an email to get tutored by me, and we can organise a meeting and a quote. Keep on learning, as you have no idea what you're capable of doing.